Hello and welcome back to part 2 of the Ultimate Mechanical Keyboard Buyer's Guide. Now if you haven't seen part 1, I'll wait. I'll put a card up here and you can click on it and I'll wait for you to come back. You done that? Brilliant. Where this video starts off is where it finished in the last video, and that where we're just about to dismantle a NuPhy AIR75 keyboard. We're going to put it back together with the original keycaps, and then we're going to compare it with other keyboards that I had in the first video, and also new keycaps on the Kechron K2 keyboard. But what it really is just keyboard ASMR. It's a whole smorgasbord of mechanical keyboard funness. Enjoy. Is this thing on? Are we live? So that's what happens when the switches come off. Right there. And there's prongs there. And you just stick them in. Simple. And there we go, that's what it looks like when it's completely naked. Well, not completely naked, it's got the switches on it. And now, through the powers of editing, I'm finished. I did this one night and I changed all the layouts back to where they were before. So let's have a look at them now. And this shows you what you can do with mechanical keyboards. That's why I love it. Right, so here it is here. And this is this nice little Christmas edition of the NuPhy keyboard. They sent me these keycaps. And I said, yeah, sure, I'm going to show that off. As you can see the little Christmas motif there, a little snowflake. And we've also got little Santa hat there, and the lovely white, green and red keycaps. And this is the original look of the keyboard. The other ones are pretty much back to where they used to be like. That's default. The K3, Kechron K3. I might do a sound comparison between the two before and after if I can. Not a fan of this keyboard at all, but it just shows you the difference that you can have, not just with switches but with keycaps as well. These are blue clicky Kechron key switches and keycaps. How do you pronounce that? Diary? Dire. That is the DK63 keyboard. The K2, I kept the keycaps for this. This is a Havit KB498L keyboard, and they are all black. But I thought I'd make it look a little bit better using the keycaps from the K2. And again, it makes it sound completely different. Listen. See, it's subtle. Big difference there. Yes, this is the Kechron K2 keyboard with the keycaps that I got from the previous video that I was supposed to put on the DIY keyboard. Well, the DIY keyboard was faulty, so I'm getting a replacement, I believe. Whether it comes or not, I don't know, but in the meantime, I thought I would put it on the K2 keyboard. It looks pretty good, and it sounds pretty good, and it is a completely different typing experience from when it was done originally, i.e. the original K2 keyboard. I don't know which one I prefer. They're both completely different, and they are own unique in their own little way. Same keyboard though, but different keycaps. These are brown, again, Kechron switches. But they've got that, I think that's a great sound. There we go. So anyway, I thought I'd just bore you with that, the difference between keycaps and switches and all the difference, how they all sound, because I certainly got obsessed when I first went into mechanical keyboards. I want them to sound good. But it's not just about how they sound, it's how they feel as well. Obviously you get actuation force as well. Generally speaking, default's around about 45 grams, but I've just ordered 80 gram green Kechron switches for this. And I will be having the keycaps that you saw earlier on in the video. So subscribe for that, if you want to see how that turns out. Keycaps will be coming very soon for this DIY keyboard. Mechanical keyboards are very confusing, especially if you don't know what you're talking about. Pretty much like me, I'm very much learning as I go. But if this helped, well, I'm glad. Okay, that's all I need to say. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Take care, bye-bye.